In my last video, me can send be na still Ghana for ebi mo antiasie e na wo mo ebo mechi. Na in my last video the make an sisi ano obi a wakasa about ensofo aye tie no Kennedy Japan. Inti osofo bi claim say coronavirus onye eduro. Inti Kennedy Japan emboy na osofo no yenhwe say nekre. Say coronavirus no so obompaye emate say na asore baby a wo coronavirus no obompaye ma coronavirus no efri ne so ejankutu. Be he commenter e was a video na say obi ka ende fioko uye nhihye nimu obi nso ka ene Kennedy Japan pe no betumi aye adwuma no ade na de bia mode to kan modie oh dabi say ya ba ni e be ka say de Kennedy Japan wo expose in software na ka fa software no hunja pe mosiane ende yenye kom Kennedy Japan expose mu aden afen so ya se won bo ayen ni enhu se de software no nso kan ne nkre so a eno so mu di attempt say ye den na Ghana for ye be ya ebema mo be hu no say oh at least we mean well for the nation. Na nini name no se na me din kan tell no sisi a oba Kennedy Japan din a na obi enim say fake prophet anansofo ba betia so sisi a wo de esi ne ho so say we be expose fake pastors in the country. Now Endra me mamoti say Kennedy Japan the live stream wo ye e wo na 2 no YouTube for take the video down. But some portions of a year in Semna Wakana, I think the video is about 2 hours long. Some portions of it, and I made the every bro. Luckily enough, I recorded some 2 minutes, 1 minute audio. Bia me to me abuacho na yenina yakasafa ho, and then everyone will understand what is going on. Now this particular one, I'm a person yakasa efa ho. Sicilia Mafo. Kennedy Japan se Siciano. What the free will be nim so ako Sicilia Mafo so because when your videos be ashe. Enyama bia Sicilia Mafo wo ye no enye. Now, obi a wote afienya Matayeko Michelle Cambia no me sure so bunim Sicilia Mafo be a na sorry no ewo. Ufri Michelle Camp. Now ba be fa Coastal Estate new Sebrepo nim ho. Now for AP filling station first bridge hona obehu signboard kese bi wo ho Sicilia Mafo or sorry fie emse na so in din no. Those who live around that area, so first bridge, second bridge area no munim Sicilia Mafo, and then there's one thing mudi behu say obabi anabobi eko Sicilia Mafo sorry omunia wo mo sha white na wo mo abomuti duku white nti da afienya area no. It's not even Afienya put there say okofa hotovi no wakopa to ho ansa wako Afienya. But that first bridge inti ebe friend no de Matayeko. Sa Matayeko area no. Uduo na hu say emba abodompem ehhehye white pe Sicilia Mafo ne nkrofo. Wo mo dressing very unique and you know them. Kennedy Japan say adie bia Sicilia Mafo wo ye no. And you see this not the Kennedy Japan is not the only one who has said this. So Mobekaya, Brother Sammy, Eba Bontin, Ebe Cancer Adia no say Sicilia Mafo Ekosheshe Nasum in the name of deliverance. Nini nano, na Sicilia Mafo peso ugu no Brother Sammy anymore say. Now, Nancy Sicilia Mafo any Dana Samoa Enya Sem ensem no so Dana Samoa Bekan say Inyama bia Sicilia Mafo eye na enye. Wasi wo ye deliverance no tutu ntosio egun krofo enum. Some people who claim to have been working for Sicilia Mafo, the drivers ne Nyamakra Babontia Beka, say ade a wo ye no. Anopa 221 was sorry sebi on twitwi ne num kra no see deliverance no tuntofio intosio sebi or speti egu wenum. Now when na Kennedy Japan say e disgusting. Now we no Kennedy Japan no pe Sicilia Mafo nyom pa. Na ade we a ono Kennedy Japan nya video a we hu say Sicilia Mafo ye no. Eye ne ya eye ni hin enso. This same matter Dana Samoa any Councillor Lutrot some obekaya wo mo kon de den e wo radio so because Dana Samoa so abeka ansem boy said the Sicilia Mafo ye no enye ema Councillor Lutrot e defend Sicilia Mafo e keken bi e trade Dana Samoa. We reported on that particular Saturday, I think 2 months ago, or last month was no 2 months ago. reported on that particular story right here on this channel. So according to Kennedy Japan, once a woman no more kasa about Cecilia Mafuniano. Na omunina no they weren't even showing videos. I'm say brother Samedia nepe ni hu videos. But the rest no say Cecilia Mafo tun to fiogu nkrofo enum, otun to siogu nkrofo enum. Just say enyama ne former workers nia wo mo edebo ne so say wo ye no. San nsem ni na no we didn't see videos. It's not aya koye say it is someone's word against another person's word. Wo mu ni na Cecilia Mafo wo mo kase wia Diana Samoa so be kasa obekasa wie no the next day Cecilia Mafo be ye Facebook live e na wo sungu ne so e kantam no menka so kanta bobompae e ka se ade a wonye e ne de to ne so. But Kennedy Japan is claiming he has videos of those things. Na wo wi a wo de beba ne so. Na mene de mate me din kan atremo say me de ne say ma yan kan to so but ma enye ho ma yan kan ento so but me ma enye ho mama mo ati ase say me no se wo bi ba bonten e be tre me say abrantie we wi am aponche a first your word against the person's word. Ebetumi aba se wo twa ntwa to abrantie ne so ebetumi aba ne se eye ne kre de ebema ebia maadwen. So I'll give you a fair hearing. Me mbo aten se o ye ka se we wi ade ne nti eho na me de ato so se we wi ade da bi me enye sa na mete. But obi be ka kire me say abrantie we wi am aponche, and then the next person will also come and tell me the same thing. Say abrantie we wi am aponche, and a different person from a different area and so be ka kire me say abrantie we wi am aponche me ye nipa me wa adwen. Who said that be ebia you have something to do with it. Into what share the number of people are what this particular allegation of Cecilia Mafo spitting in the mouth of people in the name of Akwantre, in the name of deliverance now. It's here for in Kaye Maka and yes, I made the assembly to so Kennedy Japan so I can. The way Kennedy Japan is speaking, no remember Kennedy Japan the audio, no just about 2 minutes a show. Now, the way he was speaking with anger, no. When they say, send your work and say, when your video national, a man efu. A man ebu, I then efu. I have told you, say Ghana has a 7 prayers, a sebe. Oh, dear man, there no be didn't me, person make a bat. Or so for catch will be say, won't go yet, just say, never gonna be yet because also for no naka. Me say, also for Africa, bibi maimu, also for be asore, what they can kabi, and the church members. I can say what bompa yebu can kabine so na ebemanshi the church members ni nya eji kan. Hey, Africa. You go to asema Kennedy Japan e kan fa Cecilia Mafo.
Me we ansan ma Cecilia Mafo.
Okay.
Me man warning.
All right.
When yai Cecilia Mafo. Very evil girl. Me penny on pa, but me kwa a video and I'm showing you my why na. So disgusting. Now why all of a sudden Ghana for moon to me and sheni person say one of the healing powers or so one say be a new tinted
Cecilia Mafo the boy a fruit pon kwa bibi.
Yeah, you know. Yeah. Oh, me boss. I could be a sorrow potem honey. I have a lot of on her. We cannot. Na Ghana for mantie ni yi. The bia or buy a bonny, na bema bekandia, and you are attacking women. You are attacking women. So me sound word of caution to the women. So we cannot allow this woman, especially coronavirus, abay, it's so disgusting. So disgusting. Me share video runye. I would do no what team tesio e de agu no. Are you mad? Disgusting. What me show asum. Na and then what you menya as fake powers in get ready. I will face you. Who you are bad, who you are why you are a human being that you are deceiving public, deceiving the people in this country. In the Ghana form, my mom warning. When I start with Cecilia Mafo, I don't want anybody to come and tell me, say, oh, you are bad. Because you are an air time. It's a disgrace to women. Say what to me a tintesio pa na de agu onyonkwo num because who power. You are foolish. Who patra means so who so no odin a who patra who be revelations am remember out. We cannot allow these things to go on in this country at all. But the man no me catch them e dru obi oyo oba pe no on the oyo oba she's deceiving people more than even a member to say obi nim no. So we are not going to sit